with drill machine halfway up on one side of the bottle. Put a straw through the hole. Now seal the hole with a glue. Take an empty glass and place below the straw. Now remove the bottle cap. Now fill up the bottle with some water. Now blow up a balloon and hold it. Wow! The air in the balloon pushes the water out, creating your own water pump. Moral is, pressure is created when air is trapped inside balloon. By releasing the air from the balloon into the bottle, water is forced out through the straw, creating a water pump.